people will not carry. If a child tries to learn Bhagavad Gita, then mostly parents or any relatives or anyone says like it is not the age for reading Bhagavad Gita, but definitely it is an age where Bhagavad Gita has to read and someone has to learn about Bhagavad Gita, because it is just a question and answer sessions. People ask questions, you don't have a time to reply, but Bhagavad Gita gives the replies for whatever the question is asked. So as she is a devotee of Lord Krishna for many years, so she did her lots of work regarding how the subject need to be handled and how it has to be taken into the society. So from last 1 year, rigorously we are working on that particular area. So now I'll just invite Life Guru Archana Krishna Garu to come and talk to our team. 1 minute.
Very good morning, everyone. And I wish you all a very happy Vijayadashmi first. So, thank you all so much. So, I hope on this very auspicious occasion, we have taken a very good step of initiating Gita into our life. Gita is already there in this world, but this auspicious occasion, we have initiated Gita into our life. So we are going to start our sessions from next week. So what we will be covering in level 1 and how the sessions are going to be. So in level 1, we will be talking about goal setting. We will be talking about art of parenting, then how to differentiate the roles and responsibilities, emotions, how to handle negative and positive emotions, how to manage conflict, from where the conflict exactly comes from. So all these aspects we will be working out. So as already Mr. Chandrasekhar spoke to you, so how can we interconnect Bhagavad Gita with goal setting or with art of parenting? So it's all only about a war conflict where Arjuna got struck and he was keep on questioning to Krishna and Krishna was answering the question, might be your query, or if you might have intervened the conversation between both of them in your own way, and few of them might be very new to Bhagavad Gita. So we have overall new crowd. So I request you all to be very much open to the sessions. Okay, so in total 2 hours program, 1.5 hour would be completely, we will be discussing about subject. So till date in our life, most of us have used the subject in learning and applying on others. We have always understood the subject, understood the concepts, and started giving advices and applying in others' lives. But from today, whatever we are learning, it's purely to apply on self. So I hope you're all with me in this particular aspect. So the purpose of this Masters in Gita is also understanding the concept and applying on self. So every week, whenever we are learning a new concept, let us suppose like we are working on goal setting, it is going to be completely very much practical. Because here we have various age groups. Here we have various age groups right from like, it could be 25 years, it could be 60 years. So what we will be doing is everyone will have their goals till we are alive on this planet. Till we are alive on this planet, we have goal every day. So we will be differentiating them, practically making note of what are goals, like how we are working out on them, how to reach them. In that way, we will be making the practical application of the concepts of our day-to-day life, interconnecting with Gita and seeing the practical approach. So apart from this, you have any other queries to ask me? You can please. I guess all of your queries were already answered by Mr. Chandrasekhar. So you all don't have any other queries. So
what is the duration of this course? How long it will be taking?
total 18 months course. 3 months is your level 1. And rest details, I guess already Mr. Chandrasekhar gave you, like, before, between each level, you will be having assessments. Okay, and every week you will be carrying the book, which is very much mandatory. If you want to have your comfort of reading the particular sloka, or else you need not mind, you can just go ahead with. And after 1.5 hours, it will be completely interactive. And you can ask any question relevant to that particular topic. Because Gita is such a vast subject, like, you can interconnect it with any kind of thing. Suppose we are talking about goal setting, you can connect it with something else also on that particular day. But as that particular session is completely connected with goal setting, we will be working out purely on goal setting. See, most of the topics, whatever you are hearing, will be very much like, similar to the topics which you have worked already, but the way we are working is completely different from hereafter. Done? So once again, I wish you all a very happy Vijayadashmi. Thank you all and welcome you all to the family of Gita. And I hand over the session to Mr. Chandrasekhar. See you all next week. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Archana Garu, one question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I think we are going to discuss one topic or those shlokas on that particular week, right? So, I think it would be better, like, I mean, what is the topic and what are the shlokas we are going to discuss, so that I think we can just read that if we have time, right? We can read those and come up with questions like for regarding this. Otherwise, I think we have to discuss.
Yeah, see, I don't suggest, like, slokas or something before, because, like, your mind will start intervening them, interpreting them, and your subconscious mind automatically starts progressing. So what happens when you cannot open your mind for the session on that particular day.
Okay,
So I'll tell you, Chandrasekhar Garu said only about my MBA or something, but keeping that aside, I'm a psychologist and I'm a hypnotherapist and NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Both of them, like, I'm specialized in these both areas, which specifically deals with subconscious mind. Okay, so in our life, whatever happens, it all revolves only here. Whatever I'm talking here, how many are here? Total 40 members. See, 39 members will perceive in 39 ways. Because we human beings are similar. I muted everyone. Because, like, we are all human beings are very much similar in our body parts, but the way we think only differs from each one of us. So when you start understanding the first 2 sessions, then you will understand the concept why we are not declaring the number of slokas or anything in prayer. After 2 sessions, once you understand, then still you want it, then sure, we are going to share you things. Because the PPT will be already ready. Now, any other queries, you can unmute yourself and ask me. Yeah, Srinivas Garu, sure, complete syllabus in detailed. Yeah, I will share you. Coming to part 1, level 1, we will be sharing you. Any other queries?
Ma'am Archana, I'm Rukmini here from Mumbai.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, actually, the most interesting thing you had told, the thing, like, every time you keep on advising others and now you are going to learn about yourself. So I'm looking forward very eagerly to your sessions now. I think that will be more exciting because that is the ultimate goal in the life for me, to know that thyself actually. Yeah.
Exactly, Rukmini ji. And I wish wholeheartedly every one of you will attend these sessions with the same perspective. See, we succeed, we fail, it doesn't matter, but we have to apply it. We will learn how to apply it. And throughout this journey, I'll be with you. Wherever you fail also, we will come back to that point and we will work on where we are failing, why we are failing, what need to be done for that. So it should be a rigorous and rigorous practice.
Yeah, and one more request, if you can, as you now referred that you also you're a psychotherapist and you work with a
Yes.
neuro this thing like regarding subconscious mind. If you can throw some light during these things, then I will be. It will be a
Sure,
really
definitely. When we are
wonderful thing.
covering in level 1 the points of emotions, I will be. And coming to the third level, definitely we will go more deeper into that power of subconscious mind and how better it can do. Now we will be
Yeah.
covering all the basics.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
my pleasure. Anyone else? Any other queries? You have to unmute yourself because as we are getting disturbance, I muted everyone. Done. Thank you all so much. And I hand over the session to Mr. Chandrasekhar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, all the members of this group, everybody is aware of Bhagavad Gita. Everybody might have read Bhagavad Gita initially, different versions and different commentaries. Nobody is new to Bhagavad Gita. But suppose if it is a new to Bhagavad Gita, just like that they don't join this course, 80% of the people may be already very well versed with Bhagavad Gita and they are in touch with Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Because as Chandrasekhar ji said, we are very much eager to know how we are going to apply the Bhagavad Gita in our day-to-day life. And I wish and this course make everyone how can apply the Bhagavad Gita in the right context and make our lives fulfilled.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Let us hope we will give our best.
Ma'am, like Mr. Srinivas said, everybody would be learn Bhagavad Gita. For sir, like I know only name Bhagavad Gita and that Yada Yada Dharmasya, only that shloka. We are not maybe we are not exposed to the shlokas that way. So only looking forward to master in Bhagavad Gita. Myself and one of my cousin, we have joined this through this. So
Rukmini ji,
please
don't
do
worry.
not.
Don't
Yeah,
worry.
yeah,
like
I
you
would,
can't take a perception that everybody would know Bhagavad Gita. I know the name Bhagavad Gita to tell you pure. Frankly, it is a Bhagavad Gita and it's only the shlokas which is very common, which we would have heard. Paritranaya
See,
Sadhunam.
don't
Otherwise,
worry. We
we have
understand
never come to
completely.
this. Yes.
Yes. So don't worry, like, we have an idea, like while designing program, few might be curious, few might be interested, few might have already read, but want to see things in a new way. So we kept in view everyone. So don't worry, we will do this course in the way which is applied to everyone who are experienced, who are beginners, for everyone. Done. So the first session goes in the same way. So the people who
Yeah,
are
and
already so much experienced need to cooperate in the first session.
actually, Bhagavad Gita shlokas also I've heard. I know people learn from Chinmayananda, from ISKCON and other places. It's not so easy to chant also. I'm a Rudram Chamakan chanter regularly,
Great.
chanting all the Vedas, but I've never been exposed to Bhagavad Gita. The only attraction of Bhagavad Gita is to know thyself. That's
Done.
all.
So, Rukmini ji, don't worry. And the purpose of this course is also not to learn slokas, battery. Not to learn slokas, nor to, like, perfect or system in